This is chapter 12B about balancing E calculations. So we're going to talk about what it means to have a balanced equation and how to find the missing value in order to keep the equation balanced. So what does it mean to have a balanced equation? Basically, if you think about weights on a scale, if you have a scale here and you put 5 pounds on this side and 5 pounds on this side, it's going to weigh the same. So the scale won't tip. However, if you have a scale like that, and well, if you put 20 pounds on this side and 5 pounds on this side, clearly the scale will tip more towards the heavy end. So what we're achieving in algebra is we want to try to keep our equation balanced and even on both sides so it doesn't tip one way or the other. So, for example, if I had like 1 pound here, I'm going to add 1 pound here. If I took away 1 pound from here, I will take away 1 pound from the other side because we have to keep it even. We have to keep it balanced. That's what algebra is. So, which of the following calculations are balanced? What we have to do here is double check, are both sides the same value? 16 plus 5, that makes 21. 10 plus 11, that makes 21. Both sides are the same, so yes, it is balanced. Now, if both sides happen to be different, like if it was 20 and 21, then no, this would not be balanced. So at this time, pause and do the rest. So for B, you have 27 on one side and you have 24. This is not balanced. C, you have 20 equals 20. Yes, this is balanced. In D, you have 24 is equal to 23. This is not balanced. In E, you have 9 is equal to 9. Yes, this is balanced. And in F, you have to complete what's in the parentheses first. So that's 7 times 2, which makes 14. And then on the other side, you're taking 34 minus 13 minus 7, which also leads to 14. So yes, this is balanced. So now that we understand the idea of balancing equations, we want to make sure that we maintain it when we are missing a value. So in this slide, the instructions read, all the calculations are balanced. Calculate the value of each question mark to make the calculation true, because it's balanced. So something plus 2 makes 8. What number plus 2 makes 8? Well, that has to be 6. So at this time, pause and complete the rest. Okay, so in B, if this side is 20, that means this question mark here has to be 5. If this side is 12, that means this question mark has to be 0. 13 minus 7 is 6, so therefore 3 times 2 makes 6. Then on this side, 6 plus 2 is 8, so 24 divided by 3 makes 8. And that's it.